In a 6-3 decision along ideological lines, the Supreme Court's conservative majority found that former President Donald Trump does have absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts, but not unofficial ones. They now send the decision back to the lower courts to decide exactly what counts as official and what does not. In the majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote, the court concludes that the separation of powers principles explicated in the court's precedent necessitate at least a presumptive immunity from criminal prosecution for a president's acts within the outer perimeter of his official responsibility. In the dissenting opinion, liberal Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, today's decision to grant former presidents criminal immunity reshapes the institution of the presidency. It makes a mockery of the principle, foundational to our Constitution and system of government, that no man is above the law. Although the ruling quashes Trump's attempts to completely end the federal election interference case against him, the court's decision to send his election interference case back to a lower court further delays the possibility of a trial before the November election. The case involves his efforts to overturn his defeat in the 2020 election. If Trump is elected president and the case has not yet gone to trial, Trump would likely direct the Justice Department to drop it. On social media, Trump lauded the decision, writing, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." In its reaction to the ruling, a senior Biden campaign advisor said Trump is already running for president as a convicted felon for the very same reason he sat idly by while the mob violently attacked the Capitol. He thinks he's above the law and is willing to do anything to gain and hold on to power for himself. The Supreme Court also issued another high-profile decision on social media. It's now sending cases on laws enacted by the states of Florida and Texas, limiting how social media companies can regulate user content back to the lower courts. In Washington, Angie Gonzalez, Spectrum News.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.